Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change your genuine Honda automatic transmission fluid. This is the ATF type 3.1 advanced protection formulated specifically for Honda vehicles. So it said shake well before using it. Okay, and for the Honda Pilot, it takes about 3.5 quarts, and you need to have this hex Allen key. This is the 516. Okay, if you don't have this, you cannot open the drain plug or the fuel plug or the level plug. By the way, today I'm not gonna mess around with the level plug. I'm just gonna drain it and I'm gonna mark it. Should be 3.5 quarts anyway, and then after that we're gonna fill it up with the same amount of quarts. And you need to have I got some at the torque wrench, and this is a 1/2 inch, and then adapt it to 3/8, because the one I have, this is a 3/8. I think the torque specs about 36 foot-pound. Some other people, they say they use like a 29 or 30 foot-pound. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you're gonna get like a big funnel or the long funnel. I got this out of Harbor Freight for $3.49, and unfortunately it's too big, so I bought this siphoning hose from a 99-cent store. This is the universal one. Somehow it just broke it off, but anyway, I only need to use the hose anyway to be more flexible, that's all. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where the drain plugs at. So this is the front grill right here by the lower bumper, and I didn't check out the car, so you're going to go under it. So this is the front, and then there's your exhaust pipe right here. It'll be this one right here. Okay, this is the 516 hex key or hex socket wrench. And if you go on top of the hood, I'm going to show you guys where is the fuel plug. That is the fuel plug right here. As you can see, it says Honda ATF 3.X. And then there is another one, which you gotta take out the front wheel on the driver's side, and I'll show you that video. Alright, so for the level plug, this is the driver's side wheel. You need to remove it if you actually going to use a level plug. It's very hard to see, but it's all the way in there. Let me go around this wheel. So there it is right there. And that is the 516 again. Anyway, I'm gonna use the 516 to break loose this drain plug, okay? There you go. Make sure you got the drain pan ready. Just want to break it loose right now. And then for the top, the fill plug, you need like a extension, okay, for this. It's very long, so I got the set from eBay, which is a pretty good deal. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty long, okay? If you don't have the tool, you could go rent it from AutoZone or O'Reilly. This is the 3/8 10-inch, and I got the 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter right here, and then this is another extension for the 1/2 inch 10-inch. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the 5/16 Allen wrench in there. So we're gonna go over here and then loosen it right here. You could also remove this engine cover if it's in the way. All you need to do is just pop it off. There's like 4 of the grommets, rubber grommets. Just pull out straight, that's all. But I don't want to mess with it. So I'm gonna break it loose. Let me use my torque wrench to, it's bigger, so I got more leverage. There you go. Once you break through, now you can use your hand to loosen it up. Oh, make sure you don't lose it. Okay. There's no washer for this one, just a green silicone around it. So I'm gonna use my bucket, get ready to catch it, okay? It's gonna splash, gush it out. Oh, jeez. Wow. Alright, so we're just gonna let it drain. Oh, drip all the way in the back. It's drip all the way in the back. Gotta be careful. Alright, so I mark it. It ranges from 100 all the way to 1000. Okay, I mark it. So halfway of 1000 is gonna be 500. So I'm gonna put the 3 chords in there, and then for this one it's gonna be 500. Okay, and that should be good. They say normally you're supposed to warm up the car in a certain 104 temperature, shifting the gear manually with the paddle shifter first. Then you got drive around for like 10 seconds, and then second gear drive around for 10 seconds, and then third gear 10 seconds, fourth gear 10 seconds, and after that you're gonna press the gas pedal to run out the RPM for like 2000 until you reach that temperature. And then after that you're supposed to unscrew the level plug, the fluid come out. That means either overfill, or if it doesn't come out, then you need to refill again. But that's just messing around too much. It says 3.5 quarts, so I'm just gonna let it drain completely. I think they say take about like 30 minutes to let it drain all the way down, and after that you can just fill it up 3.5 quarts. Okay. So this is my setup right here, and I got the flex hose going all the way down to the fill plug right there. Okay, make sure you push in. You don't want to come out wasting all your expensive transmission fluid. Yeah, just gonna let it drain, and still coming out a lot. Alright, so yeah, it's almost finished. That's like a slow drip, couple here and there. I'm not gonna wait any more longer, so I'm gonna drop this. Alright, torque it. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna wipe it clean. Good. Oh shoot. Make sure you shake it well. Shake it well. Okay, first core, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go and shake the second cord. I'm gonna do the third chord. Third coat going down. I'm gonna shake the fourth one. And remember the fourth one, I'm gonna fill it at 500. So make sure you watch it. Need a bit more. Okay, I'm at 500. Make sure all the fluid goes in. And save the other half quart for the next time use. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna put the fuel plug back, and then that's it. Try around. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.